Good day, everyone. So today, I'll be discussing with you guys the power of music for students in dealing with school stress. So, we'll explore how music can help us manage stress effectively during our school years. So, stress is something many students face, and it can affect our academic performance and well-being. Today, we'll look at how music can be a valuable tool in managing this stress and improving our overall experience. So, what is school stress? School stress can come from several sources. It can be academic pressure, social challenges, and extracurricular commitments. Each of these areas can contribute to our overall stress levels and impact how we feel. So here, as we can see, the academic pressure, the differences between academic pressure and social challenges. In academic pressure, it includes high expectations, heavy workloads, and upcoming exams. On the other hand, when talking about social challenges, it may include peer pressure, maintaining friendships, and social dynamics. How music influences the brain. Music influences our brain in several positive ways. It can trigger the release of dopamine, a feel-good chemical, reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and generally improve our mood. Music as coping mechanism. Using music as coping mechanism can be very effective. It helps with relaxation, provides an emotional escape from stress, and can even improve our concentration during its school sessions or study sessions. Several studies have shown the benefits of music. For example, research by the American Psychological Association found that classical music can reduce anxiety and stress. Other studies show that music helps students perform better academically and feel more satisfied with their school experience. So, here we have the effective music for stress relief. But not all music is equally effective. We have here. Classical and ambient instrumental music are great for relaxation and focus. However, personal favorite genres can also be helpful as they provide comfort and familiarity. So, to incorporate music into the routine, try listening during school study sessions to enhance focus. Take relaxation breaks with calming music and create a playlist of your favorite songs to stress relief. So in conclusion, music is a powerful tool for managing school-related stress. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can improve relaxation, focus your overall well-being. Explore different types of music to find what works best for you. Thank you for your attention. I'd be happy to hear about your experiences with music and stress management. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask for more information.